Another day where I ask myself if cutting my hair is not the best thing to do. I am using thread today because all my hair ties are completely weak. I sectioned off the middle part and tied it down before adding the hair on the sides, just to make the hairstyle as smooth as possible. I could use gel, but I don't like it, especially not for a hairstyle I'm not going to keep for up to 2 days like this one. I'm going to apply beeswax, so I spray my hair first. Some of this product leave flakes because the hair was dry prior to application. Like most women in my family, I have been dealing with alopecia for so long, I don't even remember what it feels like to have a full head of hair. I have been scrolling through YouTube for some days now, looking for a hairstyle that I could do on these teenagers of mine without needing to apply products to camouflage, products that may later on cause more issues. But I could not find one. What is the issue? I don't understand. We are so many of us suffering from hair loss, suffering from alopecia. So why don't we make content for ourselves? Why don't we make content to help each other? I understand that it is difficult for us to let people see us in such a vulnerable state, but at some point we just have to deal with it. We just have to accept it and start working with it. I'm going for a bun, so I am using this head dye to give more volume to it. Thank God for the person who created wigs. But I don't know about you, I can't wear wigs every day. The heat is too much, especially here in Cameroon. The heat is just too much to be wearing wigs every day. Before I forget, this hairstyle was inspired by Paris Batonda, a Cameroonian content creator I have been following for some months now. She's very good. You should check her out. This is for the back. Voila. Now let's head to the front section. I just did mini twists, as small as time permitted me to. As I was rushing to work. I don't know why I always do my hair when I'm rushing to work. Last minute people. Don't worry about the length of the twist. I am not going for a veil. We are going to fix that later. If you have shorter hair, you may not be able to achieve the bun, but the twist should not be an issue. It should be just the right length. Normally, I don't do twists in my hair. I can't keep them for up to 2 weeks without my hair locking up. It's crazy. But I don't think it should be a problem if I keep them in for 2 or 3 days. Shrinkage can be my worst enemy sometimes, but right now it is my best friend. I am going to spray my hair with the hair juice and wait for it to shrink. Yeah, it is true that not all of the twists are going to have the same length, but we are going to correct that after. Be gentle with your hair, especially your edges. Make sure you don't pull your hair out with the brush. A little more hair juice before I go get ready for work, and I'll be back. We are looking better now, but there are still some twists sticking out. Let's correct that now. I'm just going to pick out that twist and wrap it on itself to form some sort of a ball at the end. I'll repeat the same thing for all the other twists that seem so long. I feel like I should have done more twists. Maybe I would have noticed that earlier if I was not rushing to work as usual. Anyways, it is not looking too bad. We can deal with it. Make sure your bun is not too tight. I made mine too tight, but I corrected it afterwards. If you don't like this hairstyle, I have another video on a go-to hairstyle for thin edges. You can check that one out after this. Look at me now. I just need to be seated in front of the camera for 2 minutes to start feeling like a model. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.